Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I had a slight technical issue. I couldn't really edit on my laptop. I had a problem with my startup disk and I needed to figure that out first. I've had a technology problem before, and that was in a period that I was really dependent on my laptop working properly. This time it was a little bit different. I still needed my laptop, but I could easily unplug and be okay. So I think it's fitting to share a quote with you guys about technology. The difference between technology and slaves are that slaves are fully aware that they are not free. Do you feel free enough when you forgot your phone at home, when your laptop doesn't work, when your computer doesn't work? Can you cope with it? Can you manage it? We should try it sometime. On a regular day, just unplug. Unplug from all technology that is surrounding us. Leave our smartphone behind. Don't open up your laptop. Don't start up your computer. Just unplug. Reconnect with nature and be one with it so we can be more efficient as human beings. That's it for me today. See you tomorrow.